Welcome to Betty's cooking channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you biscuits. These biscuits are made with non-dairy milk. I have some vinegar that I'm going to mix with the non-dairy milk so that I can make buttermilk with it. I have 1 egg. I have cornstarch. I have salt, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, butter, and all-purpose flour on the end. Let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the butter. I'm going to add all the other ingredients to cornstarch, baking powder, salt, soda. 1 cup at a time. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to add another cup of flour. For the detailed recipe, go to my website, bettyburnett.com for the detailed recipe. Notice how the dough is coming together. We're not going to mix it very long, just enough. It's going to be kind of sticky dough, but it's going to be great for the biscuits. All right, you can see how it looks. Add some flour so that the bread won't stick to the surface here. I'm going to take it out. Take the dough, the hook and everything out. Pull the dough out. And if you wet your hands, the dough will not stick to your hands. So you might want to do that before you pull everything out of the Ninja food processor here. Right? Just take the dough. Don't be afraid of touching the dough. Be careful with the blade dough because it's pretty sharp. Because I use it for cutting up vegetables and making all kind of sauces with my Ninja here. Now, if you don't have a Ninja, you can purchase one on my website, which is www.bettyburnett.com, because this is a tool that you would enjoy having around. Let me just move this cord out of the way. Put it over there. I like to clean up my board. And just add a little flour to your hands there. And you want to work this pretty fast. You don't want to overwork it because it's a nice tender dough. And you want to kind of move it into itself. Dough, turn it around this way, move it that way. And then kind of spread it out on the board here. You know, I like to get mine about I guess 3/4 thick, I guess, or maybe less. It depends how I feel and how you feel. You want thick biscuits or thin biscuits, that's up to you. At my cutter here for my biscuits, so you rub your cutter into the flour here so it doesn't stick on the bread here, and then you cut the biscuits out. I have a pan ready for the biscuits, so you just add them to the pan there. And like I said, Bill likes his biscuits kind of thick because he's going to eat them with the salmon croquettes today. So we'll just add them there. So you take the remainder of the dough and kind of move it into itself again till you finish cutting the dough. You can make them flatter. It's up to you. Just make the recipe your own. Just pull that out. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to roll this into itself again. Here. These are very, very good biscuits. I make all kinds of biscuits because I make them quite often. But this is a really good recipe for you to prepare. And it's quick and easy. You don't have to let it rise or anything like that. I have made 5 biscuits, and this one is going to be a very small one, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pan. And I'm going to add a little milk on the top. I think I have a little left in the pan there, so I'm going to just stick that one right in between, and then I'm going to add some milk to the top of the bread here. You can add butter if you like, but I just always add milk. It serves the same purpose as oil. I try to decrease the oil that I use in most of my foods. Okay, so we're going to place them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. These are the beautiful biscuits right out of the oven. You have to try these. They are fluffy, light, and brown on the top. So again, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Enjoy!